In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on ChatGPT Agent. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To access ChatGPT Agent, you will need to be on the paid version of ChatGPT, which starts at $20 per month. To activate agent mode, all you need to do is click the plus icon in the bottom left of the prompt box. From here, you will see agent mode. If you hover over this, it will show you the number of uses you have left and when this will renew. Once activated, it will say agent on the prompt box in blue. We can now enter our prompt. For example, I'm going to type, research the top 5 electric cars in 2025, compare their range, price, charging speed, and unique features, then summarise the results in a clear table, then I'll press enter. As you can see, it has opened up a desktop and we can see that it is making a variety of different searches on a browser and also displays exactly what it is doing. If we click the three dots in the top right of the desktop, it will show a log of everything it has done and is doing to gather information for your request. We can toggle this back to desktop view from the three dots as well. If we click take over browser, then click I understand, you will gain full access to the browser that ChatGPT is using. This can allow you to provide ChatGPT access to your different accounts on specific sites such as YouTube. Once we're done, we can select Finish Controlling in the bottom right. I'll be back with you once ChatGPT Agent has completed this task. It has now come back with a full report comparing the top 5 electric cars in 2025. At the top, it highlights the time that it spent working, which in this case is 10 minutes. If we click the arrow next to this, it will provide a replay of the desktop that was used to create the report. We can scroll through this using the bar at the bottom. Underneath that, it has provided a comparison table, then at the end is a little discussion. Right at the bottom is a sources button. If we click this, it will open a sidebar on the right with all the different websites that ChatGPT Agent got information from. If we click any of these, it will take us straight to the website. If we click the three dots below the response, there is a schedule button, which allows us to automatically run this prompt on agent mode on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. In the instructions box, we can even change the prompt if we would like. Once completed, we can click save. We can view any schedules by going to our profile in the bottom left, then selecting settings and going to schedules and clicking manage. From here, we can edit, pause or delete any schedules. Going back to the other tab, if we click sources on the prompt box, this will provide a variety of different applications we can connect to ChatGPT, which it can use as a source for information. For example, if I click Gmail, I can connect my Google account. Now, as you can see, Gmail is checked as a source. I'm now going to ask ChatGPT to find the email that contains a Microsoft license key. I'll be back once this has completed. It has now gone through my inbox and found an email that contains a license key, with the subject being Microsoft license key. It has provided the subject, the from and to email, which I will have to cover up, the date and the content of the email. Now, another example, I'm going to connect my Google Calendar and ask, can you take a look through my calendar to see when I have a dentist appointment? It has now taken a look through my calendar and found an entry for a dentist appointment. It has provided the title, date and time zone and how long the entry is. This is just a small glimpse of what ChatGPT Agent mode is capable of. Let me know in the comment section below if there is anything specific you would like me to cover. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.